I'm going to start with the Johnny Cash song. Anybody like Johnny Cash? Johnny Cash used to start all his gigs by saying, "Hello, I'm Johnny Cash." The best I can do is, "Hello, I'm short of cash." I don't have a big band. I don't have backing tracks. I left my backing tracks in my other trousers. The wonderful thing about this festival is we're all different, but we're all allowed to play, and Jose welcomes us. And I just want to thank the Church of All Nations. Let's give them all a big round of applause, because they're the only people I know who support me with my music. If anybody else knows anywhere else I can sing and play, please let me know. You need any pigeons scared away, or need to get rid of any rotten vegetables or something, just let me know. I'll be there. Will you walk the extra mile? Turn a frown with a smile. Lift the lonely heart about to break. Will you also give your cloak to one who took away your coat? What on earth will you do for heaven's sake? Will you feed the poor in spirit, befriend the persecuted, show the bound how all their chains can break? Did you sow the prophecy? Will you walk among the weeds? What on earth will you do for heaven's sake? Did you turn the other cheek? Were you counted with the meek? Did you give a little more than you can take? Did you shine your little light on the children of the night? What on earth will you do for heaven's sake? Will you feed the poor in spirit, befriend the persecuted, show the bound how all their chains can break? Did you sow the prophecy? Will you walk among the weeds? What on earth will you do for heaven's sake? What on earth will you do for heaven's sake? I've had a request, believe it or not, but I'm going to play anyway. Angie has asked me to play this song, and I got a funny way of putting things sometimes in my songs, and this is kind of a mixture of what I want and what I need, and the fact that I lost my dad earlier than I wanted to, and my Father in heaven is my dad, and sometimes I just have to ask my Father in heaven for a hug. I've always known what I needed, but my wants and desires just get in the way. The whispers that come I obey. Your word gets forgotten and then fades away. Why am I living this way? I'm feeding the wrong dog, letting it win. Why am I living this way when I know what I need, but keep choosing sin. I've always been told what I needed, but the things that I want are never the same. The ideas, however misguided, take my attention and lead me astray. Why am I living this way? I'm feeding the wrong dog, letting it win. Why am I living this way when I know what I need, but keep choosing sin? I need your hope in your life, I need your spirit in your life, I need your assurance and affirmation, I need your guidance and confirmation, I need your help and your leading, I need your voice and your calling, I need your joy and your peace, I need your contentment and your grace, I need your word and your son, I need your hugs and your love, I need, hold me, hold me, hold me in your arms, hold me, hold me, hold me in your arms, hold me, hold me, hold me in your arms, just like any father would, just like any father would. I don't recall how a father's hug feels. It's lost in the childhood darkness and distance, where vague clouds confuse imagined and real with a grey and clumsy persistence. All I have left is you. Your open arms wait to embrace me. Open, welcoming. But will I come? Feel the warmth? Feel you hold me? Comfort me? Keep me safe? Father, I need your hugs and your love. Hold me, hold me, hold me in your arms. Hold me, hold me, hold me in your arms. Hold me, hold me, hold me in your arms. Hold me, hold me, hold me in your arms, just like any father would, just like any father should. Like my Father in heaven will. He'll hold me and keep me, and keep me safe. Thanks very much. Right, brand new song for you. This is so new I haven't even heard it yet. the ways that you love me, the ways that you love me. Oh my word, I know I don't deserve all the things you do to love me, things you do to love me. I am living in the age of grace and mercy. I am living in the light of love. Oh my goodness, beautiful your truth is, wonderful is your love. I am living in the age of grace and mercy. I am living in the light of love. Oh my soul, my God is in control. How wonderful is His love. I am living in the age of grace and mercy. I'm living in the light of love. Oh my goodness, how beautiful your truth is, how wonderful is your love. How wonderful is your love. How wonderful is your love. Thank you. This song's called How to Win. Jesus, I, the sinner, nailed you to the tree. You hung upon my nails, but still forgave and rescued me. Wish I hadn't hammered down so hard with my sin. My life was all of losing, but you taught me to win. Jesus, I've had pain and trial, but not like you've been through. Did you really suffer so that I could be with you? When it comes to praising you, oh, where do I begin? My life was all of losing, but you taught me to win. You've been teaching me with every step I take. You're with me in my victory and every sad mistake. I'm trusting you to pick me up and dust me down, my friend. I've learned there's no more losing. This is how to win. I've learned there's no more losing. This is how